We'll guide you through how to use Printify in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Once you're there, sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard to start designing a product. Click on the Category tab at the top here. You can browse through a wide range of products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Choose the product you want to customize by clicking on it. Next, you'll enter the design interface. Click on Add Design to upload your artwork or choose from Printify's design library. You can adjust the size and position of your design by dragging it on the product template. If you're happy with the design, click Save Product at the bottom. Now, it's time to set up your product details. Enter a catchy title and description to attract potential buyers. Set your pricing by clicking on the Pricing tab and adjust the profit margin according to your preference. Once you've set everything up, hit Publish to make your product available for purchase. Printify will handle the printing and shipping, making it easy for you to focus on marketing your products. You can integrate your Printify account with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce to expand your reach. Just go to the Integrations tab and follow the instructions to connect your store. This way, your products will automatically sync with your online store, streamlining your sales process. Remember, you can always return to the dashboard to track orders and manage your products. And that's it. You're all set to start your print-on-demand business with Printify in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.